Hi, good afternoon. I'm Claudia, and I will going to explain about colorimetry and why it's important. Well, first of all, what is colorimetry? This is the science of quantitative measurement of color. Hunt explained and identified three phases of development of colorimetry. That is the color matching, the color difference evaluation, and the prediction of color appearance. Also, color and color reproduction has become more and more important with evolving technologies. Technological development allows even faster and more accurate color measurement, which found it in way 2-minute applications. So today I will going to talk about the uses that has the colorimetry and why we see a lot about this topic, even though that it's not talked about too much. So first of all, we're going to talk about the personal colorimetry. Humans has a natural coloration that arises from the combination of pigments such as melanin and hemoglobin. We must use this coloration as best to choose color in our clothes. So whenever we use in the colorimetry on ourselves, we will be able to have the color harmony with the appearance that we have. It will help us to have a brightness on the skin and also in the eyes, and it will have a great attraction for the public. So when you know the colors that are available or are great for you, you will have this advantage, since it will be better to your tone skin or to the appearance that you show to the other people. So also we see the colorimetry on marketing, that it will be on the logos, on the colors that we see on the logos, and each of them has a different meaning. Like example, the red one stimulates the appetite, joy, passion, and courage and warmth. So that's why we see most of these colors on food or any supermarket that you want to be like, wants to appear joy. Also, the green one transmit hope, nature, health, and also it will transmit youth, abundance, and growth. The yellow one transmit joy, warmth, tenderness, prudence, and godness, wealth, and prosperity. If we see, we can see the Nikon logo, that it has joy, since you can take pictures and you will have the memory of that picture, and you will be thinking and be having fun about the memory that you have with that picture. The orange one transmits abundance, vitality, proximity, and hunger. The blue one transmits serenity, security, through and cold. So we can see this color with assurance in any other and some other companies. The black one transmits respect, luxury, and exclusivity. Also, we can see the colorimetry on learning, since using the right color as well the correct combination and placement can greatly affect people's emotions, attention, and behavior when they are learning something new. So like example, the red one promote calm and improve efficiency and concentration, so it will help you to have focus. The orange one increase your mood, comfort, and improve neutral function. And the blue one will be relaxing, calming, and help you to be more productive. So you can use the color blue whenever you want to try or learn a different difficult topics. And also we see the colorimetry on the appetite. The way in which we perceive one color or another determines our appreciation of this, in this case, like the food. We see on the previous slides how it impacts on our decisions, on our food or any other, or learning. So right now we will see how it affects on the food. Like example, on red you will be able to, that color increase respiratory rate, increase your blood pressure, and it stimulates our appetite. So most of these cases the chefs use a color that it's on red, or use like different food like strawberries, meat, so it will be stimulating our appetite and we'll be like happy or wanting to eat that food. The orange one is with citrus fruit, and it will help you as it will relate with a healthy life. So sometimes you will be able to have like the juices or any other like salad. It will give you that picture. The yellow one provides joy and stimulate our desire to eat. And the green one, this color is the one for nature. So it will be the main emblems for the healthy living. So you will see also like the appetite, it's also with the logos, since whenever it will be a healthy bar or any restaurant for salads, the logo most of the time is green. But whenever you want to have it like you want to be like fast food, sometimes they use red or yellow. So you will be desired to eat that food. So that's why it has like it combined to the appetite with the logos or the marketing. So in this case, the colorimetry is important in our decisions. So as we see, it has a great impact on our decisions or the desires that we have. Most of them right now, they use the colorimetry on the publicity or marketing, since the brands wants to be noticed, and most of them they can have a special color so they can be, so the people or the clients will be thinking on that brand, even though they don't have the color. Sometimes you can see like the red color or the white, and you will be, and just the letter, and you will be thinking of Coca-Cola. Or you can see like the flag that it's for Nike and just the orange one, and you will be thinking about it. So just the color can be also a impact or a sample for the people thinking on that brand. So I think that it's really important to have the colorimetry in our lives, since it will help you to take decisions, or it will help you to make different changes. Like example, if you will going to cook and you want to have like, are you on a diet? Well, yeah, you will use the green, like the salad, so you will be thinking that it's healthy. But you will need to use like sometimes meat, that it will be red, or strawberries, so it can be helping you to have the blood pressure or having the appetite to eat the things that we will do. Or even also in the cases whenever you want to use as your personal colorimetry, so it will help you to know which colors are good for you, and it will be having a more impact whenever you will go to any presentation or any social situation. So people will see you and will think that you look good. So it will help you out with a lot of stuff. Thank you.